Hello everyone. So the question is solve for x tan inverse x plus 1 plus tan inverse x minus 1 equals tan inverse 8 by 31. So let us solve the first part of this question. So the tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equals tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. So here in the given question, using this property, we get tan inverse x plus 1 plus x minus 1 upon 1 minus x plus 1 into x minus 1, because this is the value of x and this is the value of y. So when we solve the left hand side of the equation, we get 2x upon 2 minus x square, and comparing it with this, we get 8 upon 31. So here we get a quadratic equation which is 4x square plus 31x minus 8 equals to 0. So we can get 4x square plus 32x minus x minus 8 equals to 0. So we're getting two values of x, which is 1 by 4 and minus 8. So the negative one automatically gets rejected. So value of x is 1 by 4. Coming to the second part of the question, we had cot inverse. Let me write the question here. We had cot inverse xy plus 1 upon x minus y plus cot inverse 1 plus yz upon y minus z plus cot inverse zx plus 1 upon z minus x. So taking inverse, we get this equation, and similarly by using the first property, which was tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equals tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. So here, if we see from this equation, we get tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. From this equation, we get tan inverse y minus tan inverse z. From this, we get tan inverse z minus tan inverse of x. So x and x get cancelled, y and y gets cancelled, and z and z gets cancelled. We get 0, which is the final answer. Thank you.